Have you ever wondered how to turn your TikTok passion into profit? It's no secret that TikTok has become a goldmine for content creators around the world. But how exactly does one navigate this treasure trove? Well, buckle up, because we're about to embark on a journey to understand the step-by-step process of making money on TikTok. Step 1. Create engaging content. The TikTok universe thrives on creativity. So whether it's a mind-bending magic trick, a hilarious skit, or a heartwarming story, make sure your content stands out from the crowd. Remember, the more engaging your content, the more followers and views you'll attract. Step 2. Grow your follower base. The magic word here is consistency. Keep your audience hooked with regular uploads. Engage with your followers, respond to comments, and don't shy away from collaborations. The larger your follower base, the better your chances of monetizing your account. Step 3. Join the TikTok Creator Fund. Once you've amassed a sizable following, it's time to dip your toes into the TikTok Creator Fund. This initiative rewards creators for their original content. However, there are certain eligibility criteria, including a minimum of 10,000 followers and 100,000 video views in the last 30 days. Step 4. Leverage brand partnerships. Brands are always on the lookout for popular TikTokers to promote their products. So, once you've built a loyal following, reach out to brands that align with your content style. Sponsored posts can be a lucrative source of income. Step 5. Utilize TikTok's live gifts. TikTok's live feature allows your followers to send you virtual gifts, which can be converted into real money. So go live. Engage with your followers in real time and watch the gifts roll in. Step 6. Sell your own merchandise. If you've built a strong brand identity on TikTok, consider selling your own merchandise. From custom t-shirts to quirky stickers, the possibilities are endless. To summarize, making money on TikTok involves creating engaging content, growing your follower base, joining the TikTok Creator Fund, leveraging brand partnerships, utilizing TikTok's live gifts, and selling your own merchandise. Remember, the key to TikTok success is authenticity and consistency. So keep creating, keep engaging, and keep being you. The TikTok treasure trove awaits.